Hi, I'm Tricia Dunlap, a small business attorney with Dunlap Law in Richmond, Virginia, here today with 3 tips on how to buy a Virginia business. Tip number 1, if you're looking to buy a Virginia business, frankly, is to use a business broker. I've been the attorney of record for a number of business purchases, and anytime there is a business broker involved, the deal goes more smoothly in my experience. And frankly, that saves people money, because when parties come to me with the deal already worked out because the business broker has been mediating and bringing the parties together for a couple of weeks, it actually reduces the confusion and the time it takes to get the documents drafted and makes it easier for me to give advice. So people end up paying less in legal fees because they've had a business broker helping smooth the way. So tip number 1 in buying a Virginia business is to use a business broker. If you don't know anybody, give me a call, I can refer you. Tip number 2, whether you hire me or hire another Virginia business lawyer, you need a Virginia business lawyer to do this right. Don't try to do it on your own. A lot of people think that what they need are just some contract documents, right? You can go to LegalZoom for that. Well, sure, you need documents, but what you really need is advice. And you need to be sure that the company you're buying or the assets that you're buying actually is what it purports to be. That's the role of an attorney. A Virginia business attorney can, first of all, review the company's governance records. You want to make sure that the person selling the business actually has the authority to sell the business. Secondly, you want to make sure that the terms of the deal that you've negotiated are actually reflected in your contract documents. There's a lot of advice that goes into buying a business and what kind of terms that you need to be thinking about, not just what you're spending to buy it, but also some of the other terms like indemnification or recovering attorney's fees if it comes down to a lawsuit in the future. There are a lot of things to think about. You need to hire a Virginia business lawyer to help you do this and buy a business correctly. Third tip is to conduct your due diligence. Make sure that the Virginia business you're trying to buy is what it's held out to be. Make sure that the books actually reflect what you've been told about the business. Make sure that the company itself, whether it's a corporation or an LLC or some other form, that it is in good standing with the State Corporation Commission. Your Virginia business lawyer can help you with that too. Due diligence is really important so that you understand exactly what it is you're buying. So these 3 tips are crucial. Number 1, use a business broker. Number 2, hire a Virginia business lawyer so that you get this right. Number 3, conduct your due diligence, which the Virginia lawyer can help you do. All in all, a Virginia business lawyer is at the core of your ability to successfully buy a business. And one thing to discuss with your business lawyer is whether or not you should buy the business as a whole or just its assets. There's a big difference. Call a Virginia business lawyer in order to find out more. I'm Tricia Dunlap with Dunlap Law in Richmond, Virginia. I hope this video has been helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.